As June the 21st edges ever closer, the capital continues to lag behind the rest of the country in its delivery of the coronavirus vaccine. Currently, just over 50% of people have received their first jab, compared to around 70% across England. As Twickenham Stadium was turned into the country's biggest pop-up vaccination centre today, Geary went to find out how London is trying to catch up.
One of the largest stadiums in the UK became Britain's biggest vaccine hub today. Offering a jab to up to 15,000 people, Twickenham played host to a huge walk-in operation. Anyone eligible for a first dose was able to get it without an appointment.
So my parents live in France, and I wanted to be able to get it as soon as possible, so that if they say you can come into France if you've got 2 vaccines, then I can go and see them.
I just thought it was really important, considering that if we want to be travelling around and also sort of seeing friends and family, it's just quite important to know that you are vaccinated and protected.
Rather than wait for my GP to arrange for my GP, I just thought it was really accessible and really easy and quite efficient, really.
And efficiency was the name of the game for this Let's Tackle COVID event, which was set up in less than a week.
Transforming the home of England rugby into a mass vaccination centre comes in response to a surge in cases of the Indian COVID variant in Hounslow, which borders this stadium.
London still lags behind the rest of the country when it comes to vaccination rates, with hesitancy among ethnic minority groups, deprivation and health inequalities thought to be factors. It makes this highly infectious Indian strain a particular worry for Pippa.
We didn't want to be in a position where we've got new variants that are spreading across the communities, but that's the position we're in. So it's really important people do their part now and come forward and be vaccinated. We know the vaccine works on the new variants.
There are currently no plans to host further vaccine drives from these grounds, but as we near the home stretch to reopen the capital on June the 21st, health bosses say they will try all they can to tackle COVID. Geary, ITV News, Twickenham.